Hello everyone, back out in the fields. I'm out with Andy from Andy's Detecting Adventures. Link or a logo will be up here somewhere. I am out with my wife as well, but she's diddling around next to the van, so yeah, it's just going to be my mug shot that's going to be on there. But yeah, as you can see, I've only got the hedgerow behind us because I don't really want to give away where I am, because I'm happy to be out with Andy. Look, carrying his badge for a bit of luck. Let's see whether it gives me luck today. Enjoy. See you at the first hole. Bye. Starting off. Jumping around a little bit. First hole, so let's have a look. Right, still in. A bloody aerial. An aerial. Alright, a little bit confused with this one. So we've got 77, 78, 79 that way. And a 55, 56, 57 that way. So we've got possible two targets. Or it's just one. So I'm going to go with this one because it's the highest sounding one. Cinzano lid. Get the mud out of it. Cinzano. Do they still make Cinzano? Do they still make it?
What?
Cinzano? And there you go. Cinzano lid. Let's see. Right, my wife's just come over to me. Big grin on her face.
I got a little bit of pretty. I think it's just junk.
Ah, it's a heart.
Pretty.
It's a heart that's in two places. Or two pieces, I should say. Yeah. Can't see anything on there. You can see a bit of a tainted colour. So possibly it's just tarnished. Can't see no markings on it. But yeah, looking at that, I'd say it's probably not silver. But yeah.
A little bit of pretty.
It's nice. Well done.
It's okay. I'm going in my pot.
It's a 14, 15. It doesn't matter which way round I go. It's exactly the same. It's down a fair bit. 4 chevrons, I think it is. Oh, what's that? Coin or button? Coin. Is that a penny? Yeah, possible nowadays penny, although it's a bit thin, so it might not be. Might be a farthing. In fact, it could be a sixpence. Yeah, it looks like it might be a sixpence. Yeah, it is. It's a sixpence. Just trying to see the head on it. It's Queen Elizabeth. Yeah, Queen Elizabeth. Can't see the date. No, can't see the date, but yeah, it's a sixpence. So there you go. First coin. Happy days. Well, it definitely wouldn't be metal detecting, would it? Unless you find one of these. A bloody ring pull. Never mind. Right, something there. It's on the edge of it. What's that? Part of a button? Don't know. Or was that a mount of some sort? Might have been a mount of some sort. Soon see when we turn it over. Nah, just a button. Yeah, just a button. Never mind. And there you go. One button, or what's left of it. 54, 55 that way. 54, 55 that way. Let's have a look. 52, 53. Now it's open. So what we got? Jesus Christ. One musket ball. Wow. Look at the size of that. That is huge. I certainly wouldn't want to have been hit by that. That has got some weight to it. Moo tube. Moo tube. Oh yeah, right, my wife's just called me over. What you found?
I got a bit of pretty.
All right, that's nice. I think it's part of a drawer handle or part of the furniture.
Yeah.
That's all right, it
Some
looks
sort of
really
mound,
nice.
isn't it?
Yeah, it's a mound of some sort. I think it was stuck on something rather than have a hole through it, but there might have been a handle there at some stage. But yeah, it looks nice, doesn't it? Nice big hole.
Yep.
Well
We'll
done.
fill it in.
Well done.
Thank you very much.
So what we got? What's that say? Oh, funds. Sorry, I thought this was something else. Oh my God. What am I thinking? Funds. I thought that was being rude then. Funds, whatever. Sherborne pasteurised milk. Well, Sherborne's not very far away. So something local. But yeah, I thought that said something else until I saw the F. I thought it was a Jeremy Clarkson word then. There you go, just a tin lid. Right, we got a ring thing. Thin one end. Was it a buckle or was it part of a horse harness? Harness ring maybe, I'm not too sure. It's very thin and very thick that end. There you go. One ring thing. Finding a lot today. There's stuff out there. That's all I got so far, and one coin. And he's doing well on the buckles. 61, 62 that way. 59 to 61 that way. What's that? Got a round pound. One round pound. There you go. Oh dear.
I'll raise your pound for my...
Yeah. So I find a round pound. Wife's grinning like a Cheshire cat, and she's found a halfpenny. Pretty good condition as well. What's that? 19.
14.
19 what?
14.
1914, so that'd be George V. Yeah, well done. Well done. I'll put that in my pot, shall I?
No.
Oh, what's that? Oh, I've got a military, well, I've got a, well, it might be a police button actually. It's a button with a crown and what looks like a police bit around the outside. I might be wrong. I may have to look that one up. Says England. I think it says England around there. I can't work out what. It's either a fire button or I think a police button. Happy with that. That's very nice. Very nice indeed. Nothing else in it. So, no, it wasn't a ring pull. Happy days. That looks like we've got a webbing buckle. A webbing buckle. There you go. And now my wife comes over with part of a cat badge by the looks of it. Let's have a look.
No, it says something Somerset. We can't read it. It's folded. We've got Somerset off of it, but...
Don't know. I don't want to lift that up in case I break it. Can't quite see what that says. D-N-O-O. And then that says Somerset. Don't know. Possible part of a cat badge. But I shall have a look and see what I can find. Well done.
Thank you.
Right, just got another. Oh, knackered. Another button. And British Railways. I've never had one of them before. There you go. British Railways badge. Or, sorry, badge. Button. Tough to bits. Oh, I just got 92. I can see a chain. And it says Pauline Heart John. Little bracelet, and it's actually intact as well. I don't think it's silver. I'll give it a bit of a spray. It'd be fun if it was silver, because that would make my day. Nah, there's no hallmarks on that. But Pauline loves John. So Pauline, whoever you are, and John, if you're still around, I've got your love bracelet. There you go.